So the market indicator, at least for me, is in essence what dictates the strategy. If it's bullish, you can be risk on, you can be aggressive. If it's bearish, risk off, conservative. Because yes, the best thing to do is to hold everything and sell right here at the top. But it's tough to predict the top. It's tough to know when the top's going to be. We have to just kind of factor in prior cycles and history. And also this, right? We basically have a thesis, right? My thesis is crypto is going anywhere between 8 to 14 trillion total market cap, right? So that gives me kind of the lens to view all these moves happening in the market. But at the same time, you also have to have a lens into individual crypto assets in your portfolio. And you definitely want to be taking profits. Like let's say Peak, since that's a very popular question. Let's say Peak launches, let's say you got into Peak during the CoinList launch event, 350 million FDV. Let's say it launches at 3.5 billion FDV. That's a 10x. If you want to be comfortable, just take some money off the table. It could be 10%, it could be 20%. Recoup your initial investment and maybe some money on top. And then after that, it's a moon bag. You just let it ride until possibly somewhere around here. But that's kind of the strategy with all these individual tokens. And yes, some tokens might not do well. That happens. That's part of the course. You just need 1 or 2 100x's, not 20 100x's. And typically, to find those, you have to have conviction, even with meme coins. I know people that got in early into Shiba Inu, like they were like one of the first 100 investors, but they sold everything because they thought it was a meme coin and the rest is history. Right now, Shiba is like top 10 market cap. So even with meme coins, you can trade them, but eventually, I think it's best to take out your initial, take some money off the top, basically take profit. And once you've done that, you can keep a moon bag and just let it ride, right? Because sometimes you never know how high they can go in crypto. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Token Metrics. Get there using the link down below.